How to add an emoji status on cake. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an emoji status on cake. So how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your cake account just like I've done here. And once you're on this page, the next step is move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and then you'll be brought to your profile page. So on this page, you can see your background photo, you can see your profile photo, and then just on profile photo, you can see an emoji icon, right? So click on that. Once you do that, you'll be taken to another page where you can select as many emojis as you want. So you can see the right up which says express yourself with emojis. This is how others will see your profile photo. So you can just go ahead to select the one that best describes your personality or the one that you prefer the most. So as you select it, move to the top right corner and then click on done, and then to be updated, and that is it. So it's as simple as that. So in case you're wondering how you can add an emoji status on Kik, I'm sure this has answered the question. So go ahead, try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.